Here we go. G to D. G to D. Are you ready? All right. Let's make that G chord first. And we'll start in 1, 2, whole notes go now. G chord, 2, 3. Make that D to D, 2. Down to G. Yeah. Go. G, 2, 3. Up to D now. Good. They're entirely different shapes. 4 and G. But use that third finger to jump over on that next set of adjacent, or that next string. 3, 4, G. Now jump it over, use it as a guide, and D. Okay, bring that third finger over, make that quick jump to G, 2. Switch it over, then make the chord. That can help be a guide. 3, 4, G, 2. Flip it over, good, to D. Now, use that third finger, plant it, use it as a guide, and G, 2, 3, 4, and D chord, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, D. If you would like to try halves, we can do that. G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2,